Anyone who knows me well knows that I'm a pretty frugal person. My default is to always save my income as it comes in, instead of my default being to always spend it all. And a lot of people confuse being frugal for being cheap, but they are actually two very different things. My frugality means I don't need to drive a brand new BMW or dine at the new trendy restaurant in town to experience joy or fulfillment. And I'm very generous with my time and my money with charities and am a very heavy tipper if I'm happy with the quality of service I'm receiving.
There you go.
Thank you, sir.
There you go.
Thank you, sir.
There you go.
Thank you, sir.
There you go.
I'm a simple man when it comes to spending, and I value time with some of my favorite people and sharing memorable experiences far greater than I value material things. On the flip side, if you're a cheap person, then you aren't at all generous with your money. This is someone who tends to stiff the waiter on their tip when they eat out, even if the service was really excellent. Or maybe they refuse to do something nice for a loved one to show them that they genuinely care just because it would cost money. And even if they have a lot of money, they avoid spending at all costs and tend to deprive themselves of living a fulfilling or meaningful life. They just love money for the sake of loving money.
Hello, I like money.
What inspired you to build a second Krusty Krab right next door to the original?
Money.
But whether you consider yourself to be frugal, cheap, or a super spender, one thing I think we can all agree on is that we love free money. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you all how I earn free money from my routine spending. The trick is to use an app called Lolli. It's completely free to use, and once you download the app, all you have to do is link your debit or credit card to the app and then link the store you will be spending at just before you make a purchase using your linked card. For example, I had to pick up a few things from Walmart a few days ago, and Lolli's currently offering 2% back on your purchases there, up to a maximum of $10 back. So I activated the offer before I went into Walmart, did my shopping, and spent a total of $66. Then shortly after I checked out, I saw I had $1.33 in free money from my purchase added to my Lolli wallet. Once you've earned $15 in cash back, you can make a transfer in either Bitcoin to your wallet, or you can choose to have the amount transferred as US dollars to your bank account if you prefer. And what I love about Lolli is they offer these rewards for in-store purchase shopping or online shopping as well. And the stores they partner with are places that are very popular for many American people. Just to name some of the in-store offers, they have Walmart, 7-Eleven, gas stations like BP and Exxon, CVS, Domino's, McDonald's, Starbucks, just to name a few. And then they have an even bigger selection of online stores to choose from in case you do more of your shopping online at places like Best Buy, Chewy, eBay, GameStop, and on and on. So if these are stores that you routinely shop at as well, you're leaving free money on the table by not using this app. Lolli also gives you a free daily stack of money, so you get a small amount of Bitcoin each day just for going into the app and take a chance of winning up to $100 every single day. It genuinely makes shopping more fun for me and makes me feel a little better about putting gas in my car while gas prices are astronomically high at the moment. I'll include a link in the video description below to sign up for Lolli, where we'll both get $5 for free after you complete your first purchase using your linked debit or credit card. I'm not sponsored by Lolli. I just use their app almost every day to get free money and want to share my little life hack with all of you. What's awesome is I'm already earning 2% back just for using my Citi Double Cash credit card. Then when I shopped at Walmart with my Lolli linked offer, I earned another 2% back for a total of 4% back. But I wasn't done just there.
But wait, there's more.
I actually took it a step further and saw that Rakuten was offering 1% back in store for Walmart, so I activated that offer as well, which gave me a total of 5% back for my shopping. If you're not familiar, Rakuten is essentially the non-Bitcoin version of Lolli, but you can use both apps together to get a double dose of money on in-store purchases and supercharge your cash back on your spending.
Double dose.
So on my $66 purchase at Walmart, I got just about $3.50 back in my pocket just for using my credit card and linking Lolli and Rakuten offers prior to shopping. If you like Bitcoin and want more of it, it's a great way to slowly accumulate more of it.
I'm a big fan of money. I like it. I use it. I have a little. I keep it in a jar on top of my refrigerator. I'd like to put more in that jar.
And even if you're not big into Bitcoin or crypto, Lolli is still a great tool for you to use since you can opt to receive your cash back in US dollars instead of Bitcoin. I've only been using Lolli for a few months now, and I already have $17 earned completely for free just for doing shopping I was going to be doing anyway. And so far this year alone, I've earned $44 from using Rakuten offers linked to my shopping. Again, this is all in addition to the cash back I'm getting from my credit card. All right, as always, you know the drill. Throw this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you're new here. I would greatly appreciate that. Hope you all have a great day. Get outside and spend some time being active, and I'll catch you guys next time.